So, hey guys, I was in my last video and when I was playing with it, I added a little bit more soap after the video, but when it was after the video, it got a little bit more stickier. So, how to solve this is when it's really sticky, get your blu-tack. I always make sure I don't use the whole thing, but sometimes when I want to use the whole thing, I usually leave a little bit just in case an accident happens and it gets too sticky, then you're just going to waste your blu-tack. So I always make sure I've got a little bit more so then I can add it to my blu-tack if it's too sticky. So this one was a little bit sticky and it kept sticking to my thumb and some of my fingers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some out of my blu-tack. I'm going to add it to it. If you think as soon as you add some back into your sticky slime that is too stiff and it's like really stiff, then you'll probably need to add another squirt of soap. So then, I don't have my soap on me right now because I don't need it, but I might need it if it gets too stiff. So now it's there. I like the consistency and it doesn't stick to me anymore because look, it doesn't stick anymore. When I do it, it might stick a little bit, but I don't really mind about that because I'm not that very fussy. So yeah, because with slime, when it sticks on me or anything with it, I don't really mind if it sticks to me. I'll just peel it off. Happily as nothing, safe and sound. So now I've done that. It feels a bit more stiff and it still feels a little bit sticky. So I might add a little bit more, like that much more to this. That much more to that. I'm just gonna add it in. Starting to get like a little bit more stiffer, but I don't know if I'm gonna add some lotion. Not lotion. I don't know if I'm gonna add some soap or not because I don't want to, because it might get sticky again, and then I don't want to waste this because then I'll keep adding it to my slime. So that's it done. It looks better and it's not sticky anymore. So that's how you can solve it. Please like and subscribe and I'll be showing you more videos. Bye!